Hi there, I'm Bala Lodia from Toronto, Canada. I have the honor of sharing my knowledge for the past 20 years at our conference. Mandalay is holding our World Biofeedback Conference in the beautiful city of Athens, Greece, from November 2nd to the 5th. I hope that you all attend the conference in person, not only to learn from our dedicated and experienced teachers, but also to meet like-minded people at the conference from whom you can learn and network with. This is an opportunity for everyone to learn and share. My presentation is on how to do a first session assessment using our biofeedback device with so many features in our software to establish a baseline of stress factors with the client, so that we help our clients set up step by step to a better health. I look forward to meeting all of you at this upcoming conference. Thank you.